Clearly, that is not me. This is the thing. There is no real thing that does not have a counterfeit. But on the flip side, Hakuna fake Bila real. For there to be a copy of something, and why it is called copy is because there was an original one that was then duplicated. But how do I know what is fake from what is real if I have never encountered what is real? Let me give you an example. All of you people from the mountains, you know fake currency. Nobody needs to tell you this one is fake because you have handled real currency before. Lakini kuna wengine wetu, you will just be given change, you will take it and go with it. When you are about to purchase something else, the person selling tells you, no, this one is fake. Then you start to argue. That is the same thing with the gospel, with Christianity, with church. Before we go making declarations about how Christianity is fake, first encounter the real thing. First read the Bible. First encounter God. Then when you see a fake thing, you will be able to spot it from a distance. Mtu anaweza kuja hapo akasema na sauti ya kichongaji, lakini anasema maneno ya urongo. If you have read the word, you will say fake. You will shut your ears to it. You will not be manipulated. You will not go saying, oh, kazi yao ni kuitisha watu pesa. Because you have the real thing, the word of God. You will see how God behaved as it is written. You will see how Jesus treated people. You see a person claiming to have been sent by Jesus that treats people differently, you will just know that one is a fake. Leave them alone. Ni hayo tu.